In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off syncing OneDrive on your PC, and we aim to do this in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, but it can be incredibly useful if you need to pause syncing temporarily or if you're moving to a new storage solution. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to locate the OneDrive cloud icon. It's typically found in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you can't see it immediately, you might need to expand the hidden icons by clicking the upward arrow. Once you've found it, give it a click to open a small pop-up menu. Next, you're looking for the Help and Settings option from this menu. This is your go-to for any adjustments you need to make in OneDrive. Click on Help and Settings, and then a list will appear. From this list, select Settings. Now, you should see a new window that contains several tabs, each with its own group of options. We're focusing on the Account tab, so go ahead and click on it. In this section, you'll see details about your current OneDrive status and the accounts that are linked. Here's where you make the change to stop OneDrive from syncing with your PC. Look for the button that says Unlink this PC. Choosing this option will effectively disconnect the computer from OneDrive, stopping all syncing activities. This is especially handy if you're trying to clear up bandwidth or if your computer is running low on resources due to constant background syncing. Once you click Unlink this PC, a confirmation prompt will appear. The system wants to ensure that you really intend to disconnect the PC from OneDrive. Go ahead and confirm your choice. This will stop the syncing process, and your files will no longer automatically sync to or from your OneDrive account on this device. However, this doesn't mean you've lost any data. Your files will remain safely stored in the OneDrive cloud. And there you have it. You've now successfully turned off syncing for OneDrive on your PC. Remember, you can always reverse this process by signing back into OneDrive and setting up sync again if you choose to resume using the service. It's always a good idea to periodically back up your files and check your storage options to ensure that everything is running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.